Hi, my name is Ignas, and in this video I will be presenting my final project of the CS50 course. The name of my project is called Shoppr, and it is a web app that lets you make dynamic shopping lists, and with a help of a SQLite database it lets you see where you can get a better deal on the item that you need. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So once you open the web app, you are prompted with this login page. You can either register for an account or log in. Since I have an account made already, I am going to log in, and you are greeted with the overview of your account. So on the first card, you're greeted by your username and it shows you how much you spent today, and on the second card it shows you how much you spent since you made your Shoppr account. The database tab has a form that you can fill in to add a new item to the database, and all the items that are stored in the database are below. All the items can be accessed by any user, so if I add an item from my account, another account can use that item to be added to their shopping list. On the shopping list tab, you can search the database for a product that you wish to purchase and add it to your shopping list. So if I want instant coffee, I just start typing instant coffee and it will show up right there, and I can just press this blue button with a card to add the item to the shopping list, which is just here below the search box. On the shopping list, you have two buttons. So you have this cart with a tick. This will mark the item as bought, and you also have a delete button if you no longer need the item. If an item is in a promotion in a shop, you can change the price right here. You can just type in a different price, then click the blue button and it will add it to your receipt with the new price. If the price, however, has changed permanently, so let's say the price for Delta instant coffee went up to $3.59, you don't want to be typing the new price every time, so you can go to the database, you find the product, and you can change the price here. You type in the new price, you press this blue button to edit the price, and it will be saved. So let's type in $3.59, press the blue button, and it is changed. If you go back to the shopping list, the price is changed to $3.59. The receipts tab will show you every single transaction that you made since you opened your account, the date that it was made on, and the price that you paid for it. So these prices will show the actual price when you made the transaction. So if the price went up later on, this will not change. And that's it. That was Shoppr. Thank you for watching the video. My name is Ignas and this was CS50.